If you're looking for your first cruiser, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 might be exactly what you need. Let's break down why this could be the best one for beginners. The Rebel 300 is simple, stylish, and incredibly accessible for new riders. We're talking about a bike with a 27.2-inch seat height. I'm 5'2" 3/4" with a 27-inch inseam, so it's super easy for even shorter riders to get both feet on the ground. It's light, it's nimble, and with a 286cc engine, it delivers just enough power to have fun without feeling overwhelming. This bike is built to be forgiving, whether you're cruising around town or just starting to get the hang of a throttle. The Rebel 300's relaxed riding position makes it perfect for longer rides. With those mid-set foot pegs, you're sitting upright comfortably, and with the low center of gravity, it makes it super easy to maneuver. For a cruiser, it's got that right mix of comfort and control, so whether you're in the city or hitting the highway, you're not going to get fatigued. And it's super light at only 364 pounds, so handling it is a breeze. One of the best things about the Rebel 300 is how it looks. It's clean, minimalist design that brings out the best of a classic cruiser style with modern touches. From the blacked out finishes to the smooth and simple lines. It's a bike that looks way more expensive than it is. And with those retro-inspired tank graphics for 2025, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go. Performance-wise, the Rebel 300 shines. The 286cc single-cylinder engine gives you just enough power for fun without feeling like you're out of your depth. Plus, this bike's lightweight frame and low seat height make it super easy to manage at slow speeds, which is perfect for beginners. And with that simple disc brake setup and optional ABS, you'll feel confident braking in all kinds of conditions. All right, now let's hear the raw sound. What really makes the Rebel 300 a top pick for new riders is that it's got a perfect balance of easy handling, classic cruiser style, and beginner-friendly power. The simplicity of this bike means that you're not overwhelmed with complex controls or excess power. You're getting a comfortable, confidence-inspiring ride that's ideal for building your skills, and the reliable Honda build means that you can trust it to last. So if you're looking for a cruiser that's fun, approachable, and ready to take you on new adventures, the 2025 Honda Rebel 300 could be one of the best starter bikes out there. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and ride safe. We'll see you in the next one.